So starting the test drive in the Silverado here, with the 1500 extended cab. Drives pretty nicely. The shifts are very smooth actually, so far. And the ride on this is just great. Now, I don't know how to use this cruise control, but I'm trying to figure it out because I can't see. Maybe that's it. Anyways, I'll figure that out later. Sorry about that. But the cruise is over there. How you do it, I don't know, because all of the writing is faded. But again, this ride quality is very, very nice. Again, it's a 98 pickup truck, and I've heard this from other people who have owned these, and they said this is one of the smoothest riding vehicles out there, and I see why. Just very comfortable, and where the cloth seat is so, I guess, cushy, it's just a very smooth ride here. Can't say that enough. And I mean, I feel like I'm floating. I feel like I'm in a Buick driving this truck. And all in all, even on a hot day like today when it's 90, it feels like 95 out right now, and it's right after noon. The AC is doing a great job keeping me cool. And even when you brake, it's just, it glides. That's all it does. Very impressed. And we're gonna give it some pull here after we make this U-turn. Yeah, just super quick. And I just think it's crazy. This truck has 232,000 miles on it, and it's still, it just feels like it has so much life left in it. Like it still wants to get up and go. It's still begging to be used as it was intended. And they're so easy to fix because they don't have all the extra emission stuff and whatnot on the newer, that the newer Silverados have. But just impressive how this thing drives. Now again, I have the AC. It's extremely hot out today, so I'm sorry if I'm having to scream, but the AC vents are pretty loud just because it's at full blast. But still, just a great classic truck in my opinion. I think this is right at 25 years old now. And I don't think, I've driven a few cars this old, but I can't remember the last time I reviewed something like this. So this has been a treat, and I want to give another huge shout out to Highway 12 Motorsports for allowing me to review this truck today. And this will bring me to the end of my review of this 1998 1500 extended cab.